And that is our Cumberland Sausage Breakfast Hash. Just look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a Cumberland Sausage Breakfast Hash. We've got a lot of ingredients here: potatoes, tomato, Cumberland sausage, mushrooms, etc. We're going to put it all together as a breakfast hash, top it with a fried egg. Cumberland sausage meat mix. Either use sausages, take the skins off, use the sausage meat, or on here right now, up here, there's a link how to make Cumberland sausage meat mix. So easy. The best meat mix you'll make for sausages. Okay, let's crack on and show you what we're going to do. We've got some onion, and we're just going to do that. And that is going in a bowl. We've got a little bit of a pepper. And we are just going to do that. We've got some little tomatoes. Now you can halve them if you so wish, or leave them whole. That is your choice. If you leave them whole, you have the risk of them popping in the pan. But that doesn't matter. I've got some mushrooms which I've just sliced in half and quartered. And then we've got these potatoes, like this, okay, that have the eyes on, and we are going to peel them. They have to be peeled, you know you can't eat that. And you can peel them any which way you like. It's entirely up to you, but we do not want that, okay, not at all. And then we want some cubed potatoes. So I'll just do a couple and then I'll crack on and do the rest. And you know, I'm not interested how much skin you take off, that's up to you. Okay? Come on, let's get a life. And then we want some little cubes like that. Tiny little cubes like that. We're making a hash. So I'm just going to crack on and peel all these potatoes. And then we'll get on to the next stage. Okay, this is super duper easy recipe. I mean, it can't be any easier, can it? We're making a breakfast. Right, this is bacon grease. And we're going to go in with about that much. Maybe it's a bit more. Get that flame on. Let's get cooking. Now obviously use olive oil, butter, oil, anything you like. I have bacon grease, I have quite a lot of it. And I like that smoky bacon smell as it's cooking, even though there's no bacon in here. When you've got your oil hot enough, in with your potatoes. And we're going to give those potatoes a fry. Brown and crisp, as easy as that. Now we are wanting some colour on this as it's cooking, so give it time to brown, flick it over, give it time to brown. You know what I'm doing. We want to brown up our potatoes and cook them. And a little turn over. Now I'm just going to go in there with a little bit of a seasoning. This is just a little bit of garlic salt. Works well on these potatoes. Nice little turn over. Keep it going. And they end up with like little roasties, you know. Okay, and when you've got a lovely little bit of colour on your potatoes like that, we're going to take those out in a bowl. A little bit of kitchen towel. It doesn't matter about these staying crispy or anything like that. We're making a breakfast. We're going to chuck them back in here in a minute. We want to be going in there with our Cumberland sausage meat. So we want a little bit of a fry on there. Break it all up into clumps as you're cooking. What a smell. Fabulous. See if you can put a little bit of browning on there. Get it a little bit crispy, you know. Flavour. Don't eat all the potatoes. Fabulous. Onion, pepper. It's a build up of flavours. Oh, it smells fantastic. Tomato. Now there's still a little bit of bacon grease in there, look, going in with some butter. Not much, just about that much. Let that get in there. Clear that space in there with those mushrooms. Let those mushrooms absorb that. Little splash of pepper in there. Little turnover. Fabulous. Now the decision is yours actually, whether you want to serve up with potatoes and put that on it or chuck those back in there. And that's it. You just need to serve up. Serve up with beans, fried egg. Whoa. Okay, we got a ring there, look. And we are just going to throw our hash mix in there. Like that. Now it will fall. It's not going to hold up like a pie, but it's going to keep some shape. On there with that egg, and we want some beans. And that is our Cumberland Sausage Breakfast Hash. Just look at that. There we have it. That is our Cumberland Sausage Breakfast Hash. Look at that. Once every now and again. Oh. It's absolutely superb. Oh, our Cumberland sausage mix is just out of this world. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, it's delicious. And some good old brown sauce. For all those people across the pond, Daddy's A1, but this is HP. Got everything on here, look, apart from black pudding. A little bit of black pudding mixed in here with this and it would have been the ultimate. That is absolutely phenomenal. That Cumberland sausage mix. It's beautiful. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them all about the Cumberland Sausage Breakfast Hash. And if you do like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Wow. Oh, awesome.